Alright guys, it's Michael here, and this is what I come home to. Look at our car. It's my mom's car. I just had to go out there and fix everything. But this is what we come home to. And um, just a shout out for Paul Hager, Phase Pauly, that's his YouTube channel. But I rode my bike through it and everything, and it's about already a foot. Like, if you see that tree right there, it's already halfway. And that tree's like 18 feet. Like, halfway up to the trunk. And then, um, my mom's tire might be popped. But look at the hatchback. We're covered in snow. Alright, well, let's just take a little look outside real quick. Ooh, it is cold. But you guys will be expecting another video tomorrow. So, this is just a little short video. Me and Paul are doing a vlog tomorrow. Alright, so, it's Michael here, and I'm checking out. See you.